What's up, everybody? Today I got little Timmy here with me. Say what's up, little Timmy.
Hi.
Okay, that's little Timmy. In today's video, we're going to the office. Okay, I can't see.
You want to see me go wee?
No. Anyways, we're going to
don't care.
Anyways, yeah, I just adopted him. Yeah, don't tell him though. He thinks he's not adopted, but just so you know, he is adopted. Anyways.
Yo, didn't that look so cool?
Yeah, sure. Anyways, we're gonna make this big.
Yay!
Right, Timmy? We're gonna make it big, small, whatever. And Timmy, if it does come out small, then then I'm taking it. It's mine, okay? Anyways, guys, if you want to trade me, hit me up. All these are I don't know, Galaxy, and then all these are big. All right. Anyways, I need to get a bag, so let me just.
Can you buy me a bag?
Yeah.
I kinda
Alex. Yeah. I know, little Timmy. Okay, Alex.
I only have $1.
Timmy, Alex. His last name is Alex, guys. Anyways, Timmy. What I want you to do is give me your bag as soon as I buy my bag.
You smell good.
There you go. Let me get a bag.
I'm gonna go wee again.
No, hey! Timmy, Alex, get your booty hole down here.
Why'd you go wee?
Timmy, Alex, Xander. If you don't come down.
That's not nice.
Okay, Timmy, give me your bag. Timmy! You're being a bad boy. No more iPad. Give me your bag. You're such a bad Timmy. No iPad. Shut up. Little boy. Yeah, you're not a dinosaur, Timmy. Oh, yo, I'm sorry. Timmy, put the Nerf gun down. We're going to an office. Put this on your back, Timmy. Timmy! You're about to get grounded.
Oh, you made me a big back.
Too bad, big back.
Oh, my glow stick.
Womp womp, Timmy. Where is it? Just need my pickaxe. Where's my pickaxe? I'm not trying to flex on y'all, but.
Yo, Dad, what's up?
Okay, Timmy. I can just buy one.
I went through. I'm a full-on grown-up right now.
No, you're not.
So how you doing?
Frig! I can't buy anything.
Are you broke?
No, I'm not broke. I have 179.2k, 22k actually. Alright, there we go. Alright, Timmy. You aka grown. Okay, you know what, Timmy, you're fine. You know what? No, Timmy, you know what? Never. Let's just go. Ranger, yeah. All right, come on, Timmy. Let's go to the office. Timmy, it's not funny. Come on, Timmy.
You don't want to see the bad side of me.
Timmy, you're not emo. Wait, can I see something, Timmy? I want to see people.
Stand right there real quick. Stand right there. I want to take a picture.
Are you taking damage? Okay. Wait, are you taking damage?
Wait, stand right there.
Timmy, are you taking damage?
You're not. 1 sec.
Bad boy, Timmy.
No, wait, stand right here. I want to take a picture of you.
Bye, Timmy. Yep, no.
No!
Timmy! Timmy. Oh, this adopted kid. Come on, Timmy. Stop pushing the buttons. Ah, Timmy dropped his weapon. Freak. Oh, come on, Timmy.
Once you turn on no PvP, I'm literally shooting your face right now.
I turned on no PvP so you can't shoot me with a Nerf gun.
This way!
Timmy, that's the wrong way!
I know how to get there!
Timmy. That's a bad boy. Timmy, they have... Are you serious, Timmy? They updated this.
I know how to get here. I went here earlier.
Follow me. Oh, I told you I know how to get here.
Timmy, I'm sorry. It was an accident, Timmy. Where's my hand? My hand is stuck, Timmy. Okay, never mind. Timmy, stop. You... Timmy's such an adopted kid, bro. I swear.
You make me so angry.
What did I do?
You go to the elevator.
I didn't mean to, Timmy. Now shut up.
And then this way.
Get on the roof, Timmy. You're gonna die.
And then
Big monkey. Oh, get the duck. Get the duck.
No.
Be careful, it's the monkey man.
Come here, monkey man.
Bye.
Okay, you killed monkey man. Good job, Timmy. You're finally not a disappointment.
it's this way.
Okay, Timmy, shut up. I know what I'm doing, Timmy.
It's more. Come on.
I'm getting duckies, Timmy.
This way.
Timmy, shut up. 2, 3,
I told it's this way.
4.
Bye bye.
2, 3. Timmy, get your butt over here.
I rescued.
Timmy, get your butt over here or no cocoa melon.
I'm sorry.
To get your booty over here. Timmy! You've been a bad Timmy.
You know what? I'm out
Aha, Timmy. Imagine, Timmy. Timmy, you're wasting your ammo. Stop.
here. Oh, I'm all out.
Huh? What's that noise?
Your
Timmy,
face.
I'm scared.
Imagine.
Imagine if Ninja got a low table fade, Timmy.
I don't have a roll table face.
Imagine if Ninja. Is your name Ninja? No, it's Little Timmy Alexander Jr.
The Glade.
The Great, yes. Which is my last name, of course, because I'm very Riz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Don't forget to get the monkeys.
6. Timmy, bring him up here. Oh, Timmy!
Can't dip me, sucker.
Timmy, you're a poopy head.
Suck it.
Timmy, bring the duckies up here.
Wait, dude.
Call me Dad.
I turned. No, Dada.
Bro, I'm your dad, so you need to call me Dad. Oh, yo, you actually made it up there, Timmy. Good job. 1. You missed. Timmy, you missed. 2. You missed. Timmy, you suck. I need to teach you how to play basketball.
Come down here, you fatty.
I'm not fat. Call me that again. No more cocoa melon.
But it's true, bro. We eat a full pizza for every meal. Breakfast, second breakfast, third breakfast, big breakfast. And
Yeah,
then
it's because I'm a hungry boy.
Yeah, you're a big back.
Timmy, do you want to get grounded? I know I'm Gen Z, but You're Gen Beta, because you are a beta. You're not the Alpha Sigma.
You know what now? Imagine.
Get the duckies or else you're grounded.
I'm trying.
You've been a bad boy, Timmy. Good boy, Timmy.
1, 2.
Timmy.
3, 4.
No, Timmy, it's 3 because you dropped one.
4, 5.
6, I think. No, 5, yeah. Hurry up. That Loki kind of
7,
scared
8.
me. That Loki kind of scared me. He went through the
ugly
door?
Little piece of doo-doo.
Timmy, the bag is full. Let's go.
Die.
Oh, you annoying monkey. Timmy, you ready?
This way.
Timmy, if you kill yourself with that baseball, I'm gonna legitly spank you. Come here.
Why'd you leave me? Wait, I got it.
Threw a bomb at him. So useful, Timmy. Timmy! What did I say about playing with dynamite?
I'm sorry.
Come on,
Come
let's
here.
go.
It's this way.
Okay, Timmy, what happened to your grappler?
Wait, never mind, it's this way.
Which way, Timmy? Put the button in. Do you not have a... Timmy has a grappler, that's good. Alright, Timmy, don't. I will put them in. Well, for real, Timmy. Timmy, don't.
You know what?
Timmy. Okay. Timmy, you're gonna get shredded.
I'm the shredder monster.
No, you're not, little boy. Okay, that's the RPG. We need that.
I fed the giant monster.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm gonna go check on it. Timmy, you put them in. I check on it.
Okay.
Or on this kid, bro. Honestly,
What'd you say?
I said you're a very nice kid, Timmy. Keep putting them in. More, Timmy. More.
I fell.
More. All right, Timmy, it's
That's all
full.
we got.
Now give me your bag. Give me your bag. You're going to go watch on it, okay? No, don't. No, okay, Timmy, make sure they don't fall in, okay? Okay, now that's good. Now go check on it, okay? Be a good boy, Timmy. Timmy. Okay, wait. I'll tell you when to put them in, okay? Okay.
Okay.
All right, put one in. Put one in, Timmy.
Kobe.
It went down. Wait a minute.
Kobe.
Put it in. Timmy! It went
What?
down.
Kobe.
It went up a little bit.
Kobe.
It went down. You're a disappointment.
Wanna know what you are?
What?
A failure.
And wanna know what you are? Adopted. How's that for a spoiler, little boy? It's not working, Timmy. Timmy, give me the bag.
What? Alright. Did you fought?
Boy, you messed it up.
Wow. It went down, I think.
It went up, actually. Yeah, team
We're halfway there.
disappointment. Now we gotta go back and find items. Come on, Timmy. Timmy, come back.
Be careful. The bad side.
Timmy, come back. We forgot to get key cards. Oh my god. Ah, Timmy. On my back. Oh, of course. Timmy, go put your bag in. Put your bag in. Oh, put the crate in.
Should I put the crate in or what's in the crate? I put the crate in.
It went up, Timmy. Timmy, put your crowbar in. Actually, no, don't. Don't, Timmy. Timmy!
Why?
We might need it. Timmy.
I'm gonna kill the poo-poo guy.
Yeah, you needed to kill the poo-poo guy. This is Dr. Kid.
What?
Timmy, this is gonna be my longest video, and I make like 10-minute videos, so you better hurry up, Timmy. Timmy, bad boy, where are you?
I'm over here.
Where?
Down the hall.
Down what hall? My name's not Dean. It's Dad.
Dada, I'm scared. It's over here. Kill me.
What the? Timmy?
So much as scary as you whenever you drink all that alcohol.
Bro, I don't drink alcohol. I drink Sprite, and you know that. You're the one that be drinking alcohol.
No, I'm not.
That's so cap.
I found the stairs.
Yeah, I know you found the stairs. Where are
This
you?
way.
Timmy, Timmy, this is the wrong way.
I found a grapple. I got a grapple. We can put it in. Come on. let's
No,
go put it in.
Timmy. Timmy, come upstairs. We need to get key cards. That disappointment of a child. What the Sigma? No wonder he's adopted.
I kinda died.
Yeah, I saw that, Timmy.
You really won't, Tata.
All I said was I saw that.
You call me a disappointment.
No, I didn't. Even if I did, you were dead.
You're rude.
No, you are.
I'm gonna have to sit on you now.
Oh, you
I'll be there,
thought! Stupid baby! Oh, you so sap. I mean, I could get more. It's not that serious. Dada!
What are you doing? Mama?
That's
That
not
you?
Mama. No, that's not Mama.
Ugh.
Dude, this thing will kill you. Timmy, get 2 key cards.
I got 1 key card.
We need to get 2 key cards. Oh, nah,
You want
she can
some
get on
nuts?
chairs, Timmy. How many you got, Timmy?
1.
Get another one. Timmy, get one quick. She getting mad.
She's mad you drinking alcohol all the time.
I drink Coke.
Then how come you? Hey, Dada.
Come on, let's go, bro.
Look over there.
No, Timmy, you're gonna die.
No, I'm not. Look.
Then you look at her. Timmy, wait. You're bad, Timmy. You didn't wait.
You're bad.
Tim. What do you mean I'm bad? You're the disappointment.
You're the reason Mom left us.
Boy, you never had a mom.
Then how was I made?
I don't know. Timmy,
Alright, Dean, get ready.
it's Dad, not Dean.
This way.
No, not this way.
Dada, I can't find the entrance.
Too bad, Timmy.
Got it.
You stinky!
He sounds
Timmy!
just like
That's
you.
the wrong way, Timmy!
You're the wrong father.
Okay.
He's hurting me.
Well, too bad. I can't use the RPG. Deal with him like a man. Timmy, where are you? That's there, right there. Okay, good, Timmy. Put your grappler in.
That's
We
my
don't
back.
need it. We have one. No, Timmy, we need those.
I don't have
Timmy,
anything.
it's almost full. Let's put my
You put your
grappler
grappler in.
Yeah. That better have went up. It went up, Timmy.
Is it full?
Yep, I just fell though.
Full. Maybe put my key cards in.
No, Timmy, wait,
I'm
don't, Timmy.
What?
I haven't put my I haven't put the RPG in yet, Timmy.
Put it in,
Timmy.
you monkey.
I'm kind of stuck, Timmy. Wait, Timmy, I might have messed everything
Where are you?
up. I'm coming, Timmy. Be quiet.
I
I'll
can't
put this
stand
in.
it.
All right, put the key cards in, Timmy.
Holy cow!
Yes.
Come on.
I found a mini RPG. Mini RPG, Timmy. Timmy, where are you? Timmy, you disappointment.
My
Timmy,
finger
I got a mini. All right, Timmy. That's the end of the video, guys. That's the end of the video. Say bye, Timmy.
No.
Say it.
You can't kill me.
Say it or you're grounded.
I don't care.
No iPad.
Oh, I want iPad, but you make my life so hard. Alright.
Say bye.
You know what?
Say bye. Okay. Okay, that's it for the video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, guys. Cheers. See y'all in the next one. Bye bye.